Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Aha! Welcome around the world and welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to Healthy G Mom. Shout out to you guys from Los Angeles, California. It's about 6:45 p.m. here in LA, and oh my God, the weather has been amazing, you guys. Not too hot and not too cold. It's about 85. If you can see the sun, oh my God, it's piercing through my vaulted ceilings. So I'm going to utilize this sun and have my good lighting right now. I want to came to you guys for, wait a minute, before I do that, I want to make sure that I give a shout out to my new subscribers. Woo woo. Thank you guys. I absolutely appreciate your love and support. And my old school ride or dies, old school subscribers, you guys make my heart beep beep. Yes, indeed. I am absolutely fond of you guys. I love and respect all of you guys. Much love and respect, like I said. So today I'm coming to you guys for an unboxing. I have not done an unboxing in a long time. Listen, if you guys know, like a couple of days ago, I lost my juicer. When I say lost, my juicer broke on me. Yes, Healthy G Mom juice every day. So, and it wasn't like a really expensive juicer. I got it from, I think I got it from Walmart or Target or something like that. But it lasts for a while, like a year. But I guess the pounding and juicing and batch juicing, made it go out. So that was another one bites the dust, right? So I did have a new one that I got, but I was not going to open it until I went to my new place. But I haven't gotten to my new house yet, you guys. But that's okay. I know it's coming. So I have to open up this one that I had in my house. So my house is kind of like a storage place where I keep everything boxed up. I'm going to come over this way. I'm going to show you guys my box, right? And here it is right here, right? It is, look at this big old box right here. I'm gonna take you out of that sun. Okay, can you guys see? Alrighty. Okay. Here, we're on standby. It is, what is this called? It is a BREVILLE. So, it's been boxed up for like a year, right? Because I got this around, not quite a year. It's almost a year. I got it around Christmas time, right? Before Christmas. But I wasn't going to use it, like I said. And so it's just been in this box. It's a huge box, but it's not that heavy, right? It's not that heavy. It looks heavy, but it's really not. So let me see if I can take you up to here. Okay, there we go. Right here. All right, so this box, maybe I think I got to put it back down this way. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna take these scissors and we're gonna do unboxing. So you won't see my face for a minute. Hopefully that's okay. So, because I want the most important thing is for you guys to see the box, right? Let me see here. Okay. Oh, shoot. All right. This thing is pretty. Okay, hold on. Wow, look at this. This thing is pretty big, you guys. Hold on. I think I'm gonna do it another angle. There it is. Woo! Okay. Okay. Now, that's you guys. Look how big this box is. This is a BREVILLE. This is the new latest version of the BREVILLE, though. It's called the Juice Fountain Cold XL. And this juice fountain Cold XL has a lot going on in here. Basically, it has the cold technology, right? And what it does is it helps with the temperature to cold spin. So yes, this, let me pull it back a little further. So you see that? Look how big this bad boy is. So it has this portion right here, and it has, this is like a 70-ounce juice container. So yeah, so it's 3.5 and measures. That's how it measures to 88 mm, and it's 70 ounce 2 liters. And then it has another portion that it takes. You can you know, the pulp portion will go in there. So let's open this part up. I'm excited. Look at here. I just never wanted to. I didn't want to open it up, like I said, until I got to my house. But I guess God is saying, you know what? You got to take care of this now. So inside here, it gives me all kind of, look at this. It has a book, a booklet. It tells everything about the BREVILLE. And again, this is the BREVILLE Juice Fountain Cold X. BREVILLE makes a lot of different things and a lot of different juicers. Well, this one is the Cold X. So let's see here. I'm gonna take this out. There's a lot going on with this thing. Man, goodness, it's so big. Let's see if we can open. Okay. My goodness, guys. Okay. All right, here. Let's see if we can do this here. Wow. Okay. Oh, look at that. Well, first thing first. It's actually packaged really nice. This looks like a brush. Not looks like, this is the brush for cleaning, right? Okay. And oh, look at that. It looks like it's fully assembled. It's really packaged with, you know, the plastic. Oh, that's a shiny. This baby is shiny. Look at that. Okay. Really nice. So, you guys, I'm opening it with you. This is my first time seeing it. I saw it in the store. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look how big. You guys gonna see me juice a lot of. Look at that. Pretty big. Look at that. Okay. That. And it comes with. Okay, so this must be the discard, right? So it sits under here. Like when for the waste, this is the waste basket. And it comes with a juice. So you don't have to go out and get a juice container. This is a 70 ounce. 70 ounce juice container. This place, we're gonna keep this box because I'm still gonna take it to my new house, right? But I gotta start juicing because, you know, I juiced, the last time I juiced, I broke the juicer, my old juicer, and I did make a bunch for some days, but now I have no juice, and it's time for Healthy G Mom to make her new batch, right? So let's see if we can give you a full look here. See, so my house is so small, you guys. This is a small house. My kitchen is really small, so I really didn't want to open it here, but this is what it is. So, you know, we gotta, basically I have to work what I want. We got, so this part, oh, this is where the juice goes right here. Let's see if I can take this off here. Pull it out. Right? And so this is the hole. And this hole sits on this area. So that's basically how it looks. Right? How it looks, and the knob is in the front. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you, God. Thank you. Okay, you guys, next time you see me open this, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm juicing. Much love and respect.